Hi, welcome to the screen of my phone. Due to how people need money for their businesses and they cannot get it, I made this video for that. And but first of all, let me do introduction. I am Esther, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money online and finance by breaking them down into bits for an average Nigerians to use it to better their finances. See, in exchange for that, just go and subscribe. I am on my way to hit 300 subscribers in April, and what I want from you is just to give me a like to this video, and please don't fall for scammers. I won't give out my WhatsApp link or WhatsApp number in the comment section. Never. Any links I want to drop to this for this video or on how to contact me will be in the description of this video. So I don't want to waste much of your data. Let's dive into the video. As we all know that in this video, I want to show you 3 apps or 3 sites you can get loan without any collateral. So the first one is Page Financials. So on Page Financials, you can get instant personal loan up to 5 million naira. And mind you, this is not a bank. So for any loan you want to get online, always make sure that you read their terms and conditions. You can see do you need urgent loans and all of that. So you can see their terms is loan amount of 3.5 million naira borrowed for 12 months, monthly interest rate 2.99%, which is like approximately 3%, no other fee. I like this site because there is no extra here. Like, they are straightforward. There is no extra insurance fee. Some app will tell you, okay, that after applying for the app, then you are going to pay extra insurance fee and all that. No, but what I want you to consider here is that you'll be paying 3% of your loan monthly, and it depends on the tenure you choose for your loan. It can be 3 months or 6 months or 5 months, 10 to 12 months. It depends on the amount of loan you want for your business. So what you have to do here is that, okay, it is 3% per month, so you have to multiply 3 times 12, which is 12 months. So like that is 36. So you have 36% of any money you want to borrow. That is what you'll be returning for the whole year. If it is 12 months you want to use the money, so like, you need to think of the business that will give you more than that 36%, because you cannot be doing a business that will give you 12% per annum and you are paying 36% per annum. Please, that one is not making sense. Please, if you want to get loan, make sure you use your sense, because all these loan people, like, they will not even take it easy with you if you cannot pay up your money. So always make sure that you have financial wisdom, and you at all you make use of your brain whenever you are applying for online loan, and most especially those that do not require collateral from you. So when you want to apply, they will ask for your ID, your names. Then they are going to ask for employees ID, because I went through the process. I don't want this video to be long. So that is what you will do here. Like, it is 3% you are getting from Page Finance on any amount of money you want to get, and you can get up to 3.5 million naira here. So let's move to the second site rather. So the second website to get your loan without collateral is Stanbic IBTC Bank Smart Loan. Guys, see, this one is not free money. Like, on this app, you can get it on their app or on their site. You must have mutual fund investment with them. If you are still saving your money and it's not getting you interest, my dear, that one is not making sense. Just make sure you pack all your money and go and save it in the bank, and start making compound interest on it. If you are saving your money and then you're not making any interest on it, I think you need to start a mutual fund investment. So what this is all about is, when you have mutual fund investment with Stanbic IBTC Bank, then you will have the opportunity to get this kind of loan from them. You have the opportunity to get that smart loan, because they will believe that you have an investment with them, and then you cannot run away with their money. So they are going to give you this smart loan. You can see smart loan gives you up to 20 million naira if you have a mutual fund investment with Stanbic IBTC Asset Management. So it's a subsidiary of IBTC Holdings. The loan can be accessed via Stanbic IBTC mobile app with no paperwork required. So there's no collateral to submit on this site. And I think it is making sense. It is making sense here. And then you can see a convenient way to manage cash flow in the event of shortfalls. You can access up to 80% of your investment with Stanbic IBTC Asset Management as a loan whenever you need it without terminating your investment. So the maximum tenure for this loan is 48 months. 48 months, which is three years. So like to me, if you want to get a loan, I will always advise you that don't let it to be more than a year, because any loan you want to get, always try to do your calculations for the interest. I'm always making sure that you always do calculation for your interest. So make sure that you do calculation for your interest. Don't let your total interest for that your loan should be more than your return on investment, your ROI, or for your business, the returns you are going to get. Make sure you do the percentage, so that you will not be running at loss. And whenever you apply for this loan, you get it within 24 hours, and they have customer support. And then you can use it on their app, and you can even use it by dialing their code to get this loan. I want you to stick to the end of this video. I want to give one hint to you, so don't go yet. So I'm going to show you the third site to get loan without collateral if you are in Nigeria. So the third site to get your loan without collateral is from Standard Chartered Bank, and it's known as personal loan offered by Standard Chartered Bank. So like, I like this app because it gives you expectation of the amount of money you are going to return by the end of the year, or by the end of the tenure you choose to pay your money in full. So like here guys, like if I want to apply for 500,000 naira now, I'll be paying 45,781 naira. So the additional money that I will pay, that will make it up to 49,366 naira, is my interest rate. So now, if you now calculate this money like monthly, you'll be paying, the total amount of money you'll be paying is 49,366 naira. So the total amount of money you will be paying will be that 49,366 naira times 12. That is what you'll be getting. That is what you'll be paying back at the end of the year. But you'll be paying it monthly, so that will be 49,366 times 12. That is what you'll be paying back. And this loan, there is no collateral for it. So you can just go to any chartered bank and then apply for their personal loan. You can see the benefits is 60. Like the loan is very flexible, and it is 1.083%. You can borrow up to 20 million naira here, guys. And then for the fact that they even have that calculator, you surely have the mental movie of how much you are going to be paying back for any amount of money you are collecting. But make sure that you'll be paying back, just like you'll be paying back every month. So it's not as if maybe you pay back at the end of the year you chose to pay back. And let me give you 3 rules to access loan. Number 1, always make sure that you you have source of repayment. If you don't have source of repayment and you're taking loan, my brother, they will disgrace you. So if you don't have any source of repayment, make sure that you don't even apply for loan at all, because loan is meant to pump your business. Like, loan is meant for existing business, not a startup business. If you take loan for startup business and you don't know how to handle money, you will surely lost your money. So the second one is always limited to 1 year. Any loan I apply for is always like 1 year. Like, I have offline businesses I'm doing too, so it's always 1 year. Like, always make sure it is 1 year. If it is more than 1 year, make sure that your return on your business, it is profitable, like it is bringing more income for you. And the third one is always check the interest rate. If the interest rate is okay per annum is 36%, you are going to pay back, make sure that the business you want to do, as we give you profit that is more than 36%. Let's say like 15% now, 50% now, you know that okay, you are going, like the 14% will go to you and 36% will go to the institution that's giving you the loan. Do you get now? So always make sure that you do your calculations, and always make sure that you do your research before jumping on any loan platform. So these are the sites that you can get loan without collateral. And guys, I want to ask if I should make a video on how I got loan from federal government. And then it is very very flexible, like very 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 flexible, and they are still giving it out. So let me know in the comment section that Esther, do a video on how you got loan from federal government. And funny enough, the loan is not even like this, like it is, they will give you 1 year to use it without even paying any interest. Then after the first year, you start making your payments monthly. So just let me know if you want me to do videos on that. So I'll see you in my next video.